Welcome back everyone, and in this video let's talk about how you can put a song on the replay on a SoundCloud. Now SoundCloud is obviously a place where you can just listen to music and stuff, so yeah, a lot of people use that. So let me just sign in with my account, and as you can see, once I'm here I can just locate any kind of music I want. So similarly to other platforms, you also have it like a floating at the bottom where you can just tap on that and you can go ahead and just play it and also make it go on repeat. So in case you want to put it on replay, what you can do in here is to make sure you find the next up icon. So it is this right here. So you're going to click on that. This is the next up, and here's like a list of all of the songs which are going to come up. But you can actually click on this button right here, which is going to like replay or loop this one over and over. So as you can see, just like in Apple Music and in other services, you have the shuffle button as well as repeat. So you can tap on that, and that's how you can manage that. And also, once again, that's this button next up, and you not only click this because that means that the entire playlist is going to keep on repeating, but what you have to do is just to tap on it once again, so all of the other songs just disappear and you're stuck with this one song, which is going to be looped until you decide otherwise, right? So that's something that you should know about. That's how you can put songs on repeat or on replay on a SoundCloud. So hope you found this video helpful. If you did, hit the thumbs up. Definitely let me know down below in the comments what you think about this or whatever thoughts you have. So go ahead and leave a comment and subscribe so you don't miss future videos like this one. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.